Alright, YouTubers, here is my getting ready to spray my lawn. I got a lot of other things to do today, so I don't want to spend a lot of time out here, but I do need to spray my lawn. So I put together a boom sprayer to hook up to my zero turn lawnmower, and what we have here, I have a 26-gallon tank. I have my spray boom right here with 2 nozzles on it, and this is a cargo trailer that I purchased from Harbor Freight to I was gonna make one of those, but that trailer was on sale for like $45 at Harbor Freight, so I couldn't make one for less than that, so I went ahead and bought that. So I'm gonna get it hooked up and get some water in the tank and calibrate it real quick and show you how it works. So what I'm gonna do is hook this I can't see my clamps. I'm gonna hook this boom up to my lawnmower. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to C-clamp this boom to my mower. Hope you guys can see this because I'm using my little action camera today since I am out and about. So what I do to get my level, I just want to make sure that this oops, I want to make sure this boom is leveled. There we go. That's about good. We don't need it. So I'll just tighten this up on here, and the boom is ready. Now I go and hook up my little tank support to my lawnmower. Oh, get away, bee. And I got one wheel on this so that I can easily maneuver it since this is a zero turn mower, but I think I'm gonna put the wheels on the outside to better support the weight from the tank. So I just need this to go up a little bit more. There we go. I hate using these head support for these cameras because you move around so much you get people dizzy. So y'all forgive me for that, but I didn't want to use my little other camera, my tripod today, because I'm out here mobile. Normally I would just walk my yard, get a little exercise, and plus I have this system set up. I can connect this discharge line to the boom, or I have hose connectors on it. I can connect it to the boom through that hose, or I have this very rubber flexible hose that I purchased that has a spray nozzle on the end, and I connect this. This is 50-foot hose. I just park put the tank on my little wagon with a 12-volt battery, and just walk the yard and spray it. I usually do that when I'm doing my pre-emergent. Because I want to make sure that pre-emergent gets where it needs to be. Yeah, I'm a little of a yard fanatic with my yard. I like to keep my grass nice, green, and healthy. And then the HOA out here, they like you to keep your yard looking good. But since I'm the president of the HOA right now, I like to give people a break. COVID, people got a lot of things going on. All right, I got the boom on, got the tank on, strapped down, tied down, trailer hooked up to the mower. Hook my hose up. I'll have to go around back and get my battery, because as you can recall, I had my 12-volt battery hooked up to my secondary air supplier on my retort video, retort 2.0, with the waste oil burner. All right, spray system is hooked up. All right, I am going to turn this pump on and check the angle of my nozzles. Took a minute. Yep, that look good. As long as I get some spray right there. So this first go around, I'm going to spray some weed and feed on this side of my property, because I got some weeds over there I don't want. The rest of the yard, it's just going to be fertilizer. Agitation. Regular old bilge pump. Let it sit and mix in there for about 2-3 minutes. Make sure this valve is open. I just control the spray from the switch.